How to delete your Spotify account. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on search bar and search for Spotify. Now tap on login to Spotify. Now scroll down a bit and tap on support. Now click on account help. Now tap on account settings. Now click on closing your account and delete your data. Now scroll down a bit and tap on close your account and delete your data. Now tap on continue to close your account. Now go back and open up your email. Now tap on close my account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.